Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how to open a Gmail account. Let's start the video. First of all, open any internet browser and search Gmail. Open first link. For work, sign in. Create an account. Create an account. For work, click on Create an account. Create your Google account. First name, Wasim. Last name, Hassan. Username, Wasim Hassan. This username is already registered. Add some number. 76649. Wasim Hassan 76649@gmail.com. Password. Select your password. Confirm your password. Use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Click on Next. Verify your phone number. For your security, Google want to make sure it's really you. Google will send a text message with 6-digit verification code. Select your country. I will select Saudi Arabia. Enter your phone number. Click on Next. Google will send a text message with 6-digit verification code. Enter your code here. I received 779188. Click on Verify. Recovery email address optional. If you do not have any other email address, then leave this option empty. startechnology5g@gmail.com. Select your date of birth, month, day, year, gender, male. Click on Next. Get more from your number. Click on Yes, I am in. Privacy and terms. Click on I am agree. Here is home page of your Google account. If you want to send email, then click on Compose. To means whom you want to send email. Wasim Hassan 76649@gmail.com. Subject Welcome. Here you can write your message. Hello Wasim. Welcome to Gmail. Thanks. And click on Send. We received email. Google Community also send you an email. Click on it. Hi Wasim. Welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps and services. Here are a few tips to get you started. Here is Google's all services. Click on Inbox. Click on this email. Hello Wasim. Welcome to Gmail. Thanks. Click on Reply. Thanks. And click on Send. Click on Sent. Here is your sent emails. Click on your profile picture. Click on camera icon. Profile picture. Click on Add profile photo. If you want to select picture, you can select from here. Click on From Computer. Click on Upload from Computer. Desktop. Select picture. Open. Click on Save as profile picture. Profile picture will update soon. It could take a day or two to see the change across all your Google services. Got it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.